These days, we're completely dependent on our mobile devices. When we're out and about, the scariest thing isn't running out of cash. It's running out of battery. But where do you find a reliable, solid power supply to use on the go that works every time? Well, meet Halo, a solid, clean power system that you can rely on anytime, anywhere. Halo is portable. It comes with an astronautic, high-density lithium polymer battery that makes it safe, reliable, and endurable. With a storage capacity of 20,000 milliamp hours, Halo gives you more power than almost any portable battery. You can charge your iPhone 7 times, your Nintendo Switch 4 times, your GoPro 16 times, all with just one charge. In fact, Halo can power your phone for a week. Halo is compatible with any Qi wireless charging device, and using its 3 USB outputs, you can charge 4 devices at the same time. And you'll love this. The 10-watt fast charging output can get your iPhone 85% charged in 45 minutes. Halo has 2 light modes, including the 786 lumen LED light that can last up to 70 hours in one charge. The SOS flashlight mode works at 3 different flashing speeds, which may save your life in an emergency. The best part about Halo is that it's waterproof, dustproof, and always ready no matter how harsh the environment. Thanks to the ultra-efficient built-in solar charger, a few hours of sunshine gives Halo enough power to fully charge your iPhone. Halo isn't just a battery. It's an everyday power companion that provides clean, cable-free energy wherever you are. What are you waiting for? Get your Halo today and get ready to power your adventures.
Mini by Surge Club, the advanced wireless earbuds for an audio experience like no other. Equipped with custom-made diaphragms, Mini delivers fantastic hi-fi sound and crystal clear acoustics. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures super stable connectivity and 4 times broader signal range. The snug-fitting design produces excellent noise isolation and keeps it securely in place. The 2000 milliamp charging pod can charge the earbuds for 25 times, provide 70 hours extra battery life. It also works as a power bank, powerful enough to charge your iPhone up to 73%. Mini, premium acoustic, fashionable design.
Duo Plus, the world's first AI laser beam portable projector with your very own personalized AI avatar. UO Plus is usable in all lifestyle. It's portable, handy, easy to use. UO Plus is not just a standard laser beam projector. It is the world's first AI laser beam projecting your own avatar as your assistant. The AI avatar assistant is shown on the display to guide you of all the functions and content.
Can you play some music for meditation?
Using an AI deep learning chatbot with a 3D avatar, the avatar guides you to easily access content, movies, and even recommends news and exciting content for you. You can control the content easily with UO Plus app. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability, you can watch live streaming games, YouTube, and Netflix through voice recognition. Focus free with the WXGA HD video quality for presentations and meetings. The HDMI ports allow you to easily connect and use a variety of devices. It can also be used in the kitchen for following recipes from YouTube or other cookbook contents. Brightness of 200 ANSI lumens will provide equal level of brightness throughout the screen, allowing you to enjoy the video with clear and rich colors even when you're outside. You can also enjoy best image qualities up to 200 inches in size. It can connect your smartphone throughout mirroring system and enjoy your photos, videos, and music. For your eye safety, our laser beam obtain iSafe Class 1. UO Plus equipped fast-charging USB-C and B ports, battery up to 180 minutes of standard playtime. 2.5 inches cube size and 200 grams in weight. Supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0. Designed, developed, and manufactured in Korea. UO Plus can be with you anywhere. Upgrade your lifestyle. Be a part of the next generation display with your AI avatar through UO Plus.
Hey everyone, we are MochaCam. Last year we came to you with an idea of the smallest 4K camera. Your incredible support brought MochaCam to life. To create a better MochaCam, we've responded to thousands of comments and have enjoyed all the photos and videos that you shared online. The improvement ideas and our experience from the MochaCam to Mocha 360 has prepared us for this moment. Introducing Alpha and Alpha S, the first wearable camera that provides a shutter wheel to control the shutter speed, allowing you to set it up to 1/2000th of a second or 32 seconds freely. If you haven't heard of MochaCam, it's the world's smallest 4K camera. The rotatable screen module allows you to find the best filming angle and double the battery life. The spare battery that simply snaps on magnetically can extend your battery life to 4 hours for video filming. Now, Alpha brings more surprises. Here's how we made it even better. MochaCam Alpha S has an umbrella image processor and provides 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p 120 frames per second video features. It means you can get 1/5 speed Full HD slow motion video, same to GoPro Hero 5. With the 1.55 micrometer Sony image sensor, the low light performance has been significantly improved. In addition to Wi-Fi, Alpha provides Bluetooth connection, which is more stable and consumes less power. It can turn your phone into a Bluetooth remote and get GPS information for geotagging or show the trajectory. With the built-in G sensor, Alpha can get better image stabilization on video recording. Alpha has dual status lights, so even if there's no screen module, it can show the camera status clearly. The dual mic system provides stereo recording capability. Alpha uses a Type-C port to connect the camera and screen. The micro HDMI port provides a new preview and playback mode. Now it's the totally new feature and most important part, the shutter wheel with the new design buttons. In manual mode, you can turn the shutter wheel to set the shutter speed freely, up to 1/2000th of a second or 32 seconds. In other words, you can now use MochaCam shooting long exposure night pics or even the stars. What's more, after applying all these great features, Alpha is 20% smaller than the previous generation and 35% smaller than GoPro Hero 5. We are also able to offer two options this time, Alpha and Alpha S. Alpha uses the same image processor to MochaCam. The frame rate is similar to GoPro Hero 4 and provides all the other features of Alpha S. So please, order a MochaCam today and share it with your friends. Help us to make it a reality.